can't see him, I just hear him. He's drumming.
I can't see it. Oh, wait, I just saw him. Just a quick glimpse. He's coming up on the left.
On the left?
Yeah. Keeps like, stop. Okay, keep going. He's gonna come right through that crack right there.
You see him still?
No, I lost him.
How far was he?
Oh, yeah, he's coming.
Oh, yeah, I see him. You ready?
Yeah. Put my gun over your shoulder.
Okay. Shoot him. Ow!
Yeah, baby. Oh my gosh. We've been working so hard for this bird, man. It's been 3 days. We've hunted probably like 9 different sets. We've had opportunities at each set and we have not been able to close the deal. And it's just been tough. And finally we're sitting in the woods. It's the last day. We were gonna get out of here in about 30 minutes and he comes. We were just sitting here calling. Haven't heard anything all morning and he gobbles 30 yards down this trail here. Holy crap. And I mean, it was last day of the hunt and I told Parker, you know, I'm gonna kill it whether you got it on film or not. And man, he came right up. I don't know, we haven't even looked at the footage, but and he stopped at 30 yards. He picked us out right on this stump and he was turning to go. He was out of here. He picked us and he was on the move and pulled that trigger. Man, that felt good. Dumped him on the spot, shot through some brush. Perfect. So filled my tag. I'm happy. It's a beautiful town. Let's go check them out. And oh man, I'm just pumped.